Welcome back to the channel. So last Saturday I did something pretty spontaneous. I ended up buying a new car, a project car for the channel, but let me give you guys a few hints before I reveal the actual car. So yes, it is a manual, and then yes, it is a Honda. So yeah, this was not expected. I was not expecting to buy a car on that Saturday morning, but this deal came up, and then, you know, with a few negotiations and checking out the car, I was pretty much sold on it because the deal was too good to pass up. So I bought it, and now here we are. So let's get into the reveal. All right, so as you guys can see, this is a Honda. It's a 2008 Honda Accord. It's the V6. It's the EXL trim. So it is the highest trim that you can get. It does have 140,000 miles, but we got it for a really good deal, so I couldn't pass it up. And it's also a manual, which I wanted for the channel. So this car is obviously not perfect. It's used. It's got over 100,000 miles, so there are a few flaws on it, but let's get into that right now. So the first visual flaw you can see from the front is, I don't know if that was plasti dipped or something, but it's peeling. You can see like the chrome's starting to show itself again. Another thing is the bumper is not fully, you know, it's not fully on there. It's a little bit, yeah, see right here is worse. It's not fully on there, but I'm lucky because I did buy this car and it has the HFP kit on it. It has the wheels and the body kit. So here are the HFPs. A little bit of curb rashing and stuff, but they're really nice. They're 19s. And then you have, you know, the lip, the side skirts. Another flaw is this mirror cap's basically broken. Gonna have to find a solution to that. Come around to this side, you'll see some paint scratches. That's normal. But back here is where it's most noticeable. So there's no Honda badge. He took that off, I guess. And then you can see, you know, it's kind of bad here. It's cracking and stuff like that. But other than that, you know, the car is a really solid deal. Oh, here, actually right here, you can see the side skirt's not even hanging on all the way. My 6 has that problem as well. So as you can see from the front lip, you can see a lot of the paint on the bottom part is coming off. I don't know if this car was lowered before or not, but this definitely looks like, you know, it was contacting the street or the ground a lot. That's not a huge deal because this isn't really going to be a show car, so that's fine. But I just wanted to point that out just to show, you know, that the car does have some cosmetic damages and stuff like that. So the leather quality on the car, or in the car, is really good. It actually has no tears, pretty well maintained and everything. The only interior problem that there is the headliners coming apart, which I'm probably gonna have to get that fixed, but it's a very minor issue. Everything else is really solid. It came with, you know, an infotainment screen, which is touch screen, and then there's also a sub which is in the back. Let's go look at that. So yeah, here's the sub, and you can see the amp is on the back. I've never had a sub before, so I've been having a lot of fun playing music that has heavy bass because it basically shakes the whole car. But yeah, that was a little fun add-on that came with the car. One other flaw that there was, or missing piece, is that if you look closely, this is missing the exhaust cover, the exhaust tip cover. You see right there? Not a huge deal because we're gonna be replacing the exhaust anyways, but yeah, just trying to get a thorough overview of the condition of the car. So another plus is it did come tinted already, so I don't have to worry about getting that done. Although the back, as you can see, you know, there's bubbles and it's starting to come off and stuff. But at least I don't really have to tint the front and back windows. Hopefully nothing happens and I don't get a fix-it ticket or anything, but for now we're gonna leave it. Yet another plus is there's a reverse camera. This was installed by the previous owner. It's really clutch because since my Mazda 6 is 2015, it does have a reverse camera and I got pretty accustomed to using it. So having it on this car is a really good plus, and I've been enjoying it so far. Now let's move on to the hood and the engine bay. So it's not bad for 140,000 miles. It's not the worst engine bay I've seen. It does come with a factory strut bar. From what I remember, the issues here were that the head cover gasket's leaking a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. So overall, I mean, this car was a really good deal and I'm glad that I bought it, and I can't wait to see what we're gonna do with it for the channel. But just to list out a few things that I do plan on doing, for sure we're gonna do full bolt-on and tune. We're also gonna lower it, of course, and I want to get some nice wheels for it, and I think I'm gonna be getting Volks for it, so that's gonna be exciting. I can't wait to see what we'll do with the car, and I want to really do get it dyno tuned. Not dyno tuned, shoot, dyno. I want to get it dynoed so that we could see what it'll end up making at the end of this whole journey. But this is the new project car, and I'm really excited to see what we can do with this 2008 Honda Accord V6. Well, that's basically the overview of the new project car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and also let me know what you think I should do to the car. But for right now, this is the starting point. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.